So folks, my new cooler, this new Lifetime cooler came with a divider. Uh-oh, look at that. Look at that back there. There's a cat back there with no tail. Anyhow, my cooler came with a divider, a Lifetime divider. I mean, this Lifetime cooler came with a divider, and it's also a cutting board. You can put it across there, whatever. Use to make a dinner or whatever. But I thought, you know, it'd be nice to have another divider. So I went and got a piece of a cutting board from Walmart that I can, I'm going to make a template out of by putting this on there, and I'm going to make me another one. I'm going to show you that in this video. Plus, I also got this basket that hangs. It's like, you know, you put it in your shower or whatever, I don't know. But I'm going to hang it on my divider to keep things out of the ice. Just like that. Stay tuned, we're going to do some more. Meow, meow. Hey, kitty cat. What's your name? What's your name? Meow. He's mean to me. Okay, the first thing I've done is I've locked it in place with these clamps, and then I went around with a fine tip Sharpie, and I just traced out my pattern. Dang airplanes. So now I got a jigsaw. I'm just going to cut around my pattern, and voila. Got that done, and I will clean those edges up real good and smooth everything out. Look there. Ta-da! Ta-da! That's that. We'll be right back, folks, for the next part. Okay, well, let's see how it fits. This first cut, I may have to trim it out. Oh my God, it's perfect. It fits perfect, folks. I love it. So I can do like that right there, and I can have a little area in there to keep things. Let's move the plates. Or I can do it 2 at a time and make a bigger area. And I have 3 dividers like that, see? Now I got 3 separate spots in my cooler. And I can just hang that over the top of that. Look, hang that over there to keep stuff dry. If I don't want it to get in the bottom where the water will be, I can just put it in there, like my salt and my pepper. And maybe even can get another one of those and put it on that side for bread and sandwiches and other things. That's it, folks. I'm hacking my Lifetime 115 quart Lifetime cooler right here on rednecksgonewild.com. Thanks for watching. The camera work sucks.